Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy with the machine. First, gather your cotton candy machine, floss sugar, and paper cones. Make sure your machine is on a stable, flat surface and plugged in safely. It's important to preheat the machine for about 5 to 10 minutes. This ensures the heating element is ready to melt the sugar efficiently, giving you perfect cotton candy every time. Get ready for some sweet fun. Once your machine is preheated, carefully add 1 scoop of floss sugar directly into the center receptacle. Avoid overfilling to prevent clogs. As the sugar melts, you'll see fine, sugary strands begin to emerge from the spinning head. Now, hold a paper cone horizontally, just above the spinning head, and slowly rotate it to start collecting those delicious threads. It's like magic. Keep rotating the cone, winding the cotton candy around it in a continuous motion. You can move the cone up and down slightly to help build a larger, fluffier puff. Don't rush this step. Patience makes for the best cotton candy. Once your sweet treat reaches the desired size and fluffiness, gently remove the cone from the machine. Get ready to enjoy your homemade delight. After enjoying your delicious cotton candy, remember to turn off and unplug the machine, letting it cool down completely before cleaning. Carefully remove the spinning head and bowl, then wash them with warm, soapy water. This keeps your machine ready for the next batch of sugary goodness. For more great tips and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, be sure to check the description for the link and other deals. Happy spinning!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.